The structure of an inverse cup and handle. We are taught to trade with structure and the algorithms. If you don't trade with structure, if you just trade your gut or what you think you see, you're trading your bias. You have a 50-50 chance of the price going in that direction. That's nothing more than flipping a coin. In trading, you want more certainty. You want a high probability of success. And by using structure and the algorithms, that's what that gives you. We're taught by Eric from Spydaytrading, which is the teacher, mentor. This is Friday. 7 minutes into the trading day, he has identified a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario. He's already identified the algorithms for both sides. Here is the bullish scenario. We're waiting for price to get above the 5-day moving average, create some structure. If it breaks the algorithms to the top, you're going to take longs or calls. That's a high probability setup for a bulls. On the flip side, he also pointed out a bearish scenario. You want to see the inverse cup close at the 20-day moving average and create some structure off of that 20-day moving average to go short. So those are the scenarios that he set up 7 minutes into the trading day. Now, as you can see, for the first 2 hours, none of those scenarios played out. Price just chopped in a sideways market or in a range. To the naked eye, it looks like no structure. But here at 11:27, the inverse cup has closed. And we're going to see his next writing. So here at 11:27, the inverse cup has closed. He charted a yellow algo. This is a proper closed cup. Let's see if a handle forms with magenta and the yellow algorithm. Just as the first 7 minutes of the trading day he had drawn up, this scenario is now playing out. So we're now looking for shorts. The inverse cup has closed. And you can see from this diagram, here is the inverse cup that has closed at the 20-day moving average. So now we're looking to see if price is going to form a handle. This is where the algorithms come in, and it's very important how they give you an edge. I'm going to turn on the algorithms, and I'm going to turn on the replay mode. So remember, the inverse cup has closed. We're now looking for a handle to form. We're watching the orange algorithm, the magenta algorithm, and the yellow algorithm. There's the break of orange. It's now breaking the yellow, and it's now breaking magenta and heading down in the teal algorithm. The handle has formed, and it's now breaking down. Right here, it's breaking down past the 20-day moving average. And that set off a stronger algorithm, the blue selling precision algorithm. And there's their trade. You now have a high probability short setup because you knew to look out for structure. You were prepared 2 hours before the trade. And this is the result. A classic inverse cup and handle with penny perfect yellow algos and the 20-day moving average with the help of the blue precision algorithm. Your edge will come in understanding structure and identifying the algorithms. This is going to help you be a better trader, not be a guesser or a gambler or using your bias. We encourage you to keep following. This week is going to be very volatile. So the futures market opens up tonight, Sunday at 6 p.m. Look forward to that. Keep following us on the Discord. Join the community. Have any questions, comments, or complaints? Put them down below.